Hello my lovely friends, welcome back, and if you are new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. Starting today's short plant video with this beautiful variegated pothos. This is one of the plant that is never going to disappoint you. I just love them. Oh my god, how pretty you look. Look at the color. And the reason I am showing lies down there. This is all leaf grown and a leaf had dropped, and look at this. As I always tell you, this is the joy of growing succulents. This is the reason, although they keep dying, I keep buying them. See how pretty it looks. Beautiful. That's the baby succulent placed near its mommy, and there are some more. Now this is the wandering Jew, or the Tradescantia nunuk. Again, one of the beautiful plant, and there are different varieties. I have got a few of them. This plant actually has been given to me by my cousin, the elder one, and this is also the wandering Jew, the miniature one, also called the painted lady, along with its cousin. Well, I am calling it cousin, the green one. And they look just wonderful. Look at that. How pretty, how happy they look. And I have taken tiny plants of this wandering Jew and placed it in other pots. Now this is the Chrysula calico kitten, which is doing well. And behind it I have the zygo cactus, or the Christmas cactus. It is the orange one. If you all have seen my earlier videos, it was a good size plant, but suddenly the main stem turned black and the leaves started dropping, and I was too scared, and I removed the falling leaves and placed it here and there, and yes, now I'm confident that they are going to survive. I can see the tiny growths. This is my calico kitten, and here is the Chinese money plant, a beautiful plant again. And again, I would like to mention this plant is given to me by my sister-in-law Rosa. Now today again I captured the beauty of caladium. Look at it, how beautiful they look. And this is God's creation. Look at the pattern of the leaves. And this is my Hawathia growing in a torn and tattered plastic pot, yet looking happy and healthy. My dear friends, this brings me to the end of this video. If you all have liked it, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, it is bye bye for today. Bye.